Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so it's like I just wanted to know that the Binance UST is a legal one or not
It is a legal
trading.
one.
Okay. Um, so like last month, I got a message from Telegram
Mm.
regarding this trading thing, and I lost around 63K in
Mm-hmm.
that. So I didn't know all this. I just gave a try, but then
Mm.
all my savings went for a toss. So after which they gave me an idea of getting this back,
Mm.
um, for which I have to pay like 50K
Mm.
something. And I asked my friend regarding that, and I got that money from them.
Mm.
Um, and later they said that I'm a VIP member now,
Mm.
and they will be giving me a job of a cashier.
Mm.
Um, so I was like, okay. I didn't know about all this because I was working in IT and this always feels like something
Mm-hmm.
new to me.
Mm-hmm.
And so as I belong to this IT background, I had no much knowledge about this accountancy and all
Mm-hmm.
stuff. So as I left my job like in December, I thought like this can be a like a freelancing kind of thing where I can get money and all.
Mm.
Uh, am I taking much of your time, sir?
No, no.
Hello?
Tell me so. Like I can give you the advice after listening.
Yeah, okay. So what happened was like they yeah, I paid them 50K and they made me a cashier. It was going so fine till then, and I was also having a
So
debt
your job is
from
what? They are giving you the money, and you are supposed to buy USDT from that money, and after that, you have to return that USDT to them.
no, the job was like simple. They used to send me some amount,
And
for
you have to
example.
send that money in small part portion in different transaction, whatever account they are giving to you.
Yeah, yeah, exactly
That
like
is
that.
called a money transfer job, that they have given you. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
and you are getting a
So it was
commission of
like
that whatever transaction you are doing on
200
until
rupees. Yeah. For
just
example,
200
if they
rupees.
send
And how much you have to transfer?
like if they used to send me 3,000, for which I should return them 2,800 rupees.
Okay, per day
So I mean,
3,000. That means in a month around 1 lakh.
no sir,
So
it
for
used
how many
to
days you
exceed
have done it?
sometimes. I have done it for 1 month.
Okay.
So
So
it's
your
like
account
2,000.
doesn't get freeze lean.
No, after 1 month, like one account got freezed. So
Hmm.
I just asked them ki why my account is getting freezed. So they are like, no, no, it's just for some days it will be over. Like you should be knowing all this stuff. This is very basic and all. They just pretended like that. Then I was like, okay, fine. Maybe I don't have much knowledge about it, so it might have happened that way.
So your
Then
account
I
is okay. Then after that, again you started with another account.
another account. So like that, it became like third account. Okay.
Hmm.
So when the third account got blocked, I was like, that time I got to know okay something is going wrong here because it's not usual thing, and I was not able to send any of the money, like not even a hundred
नहीं रहने
rupees.
दो.
So
हम्म.
it then I saw a few YouTube channels. After
हम्म.
that, I got realized, and
हम्म.
I started seeing the YouTube channels. So where they were telling this is kind of a scam, but also not a scam. So I'm
No,
like
it is
bit
100%
confused.
scam.
Okay.
It's a hundred
So
percent fraud activity. Actually, directly, indirectly, you are helping the criminals to transfer their fraud money from one account to different account. Actually, what happened on the name of giving a work Telegram, they like initially tell some people to invest, and then after
mhm.
that they will tell that you will get that much money in return,
Yeah, yeah,
and they
yeah. That
get
was the
give a
initial.
different task. So like that
Mm-hmm.
only, like first of all they send you that fraud money. So actually what they do a like a fraud with one person like A, and the same money they tell to transfer in your account, and then after that they give you the instruction to transfer the money same in different account in a small part portion. So directly you can say they are using your account to do a foreign activity. Tomorrow if anything wrong happen, that person is going to complain against your account because he has transferred the money to your account. And first
Mm-hmm.
of all your account get freeze cyber because of cyber complaint. Police will send you a notice. They can come to your house, ask you from where you get this money because it's a foreign money against your account. Complaint is there. You have to answer them, you have to refund the money, you have to face court and police station unnecessarily.
Yeah. So I didn't know all this. So I actually complained to a cyber crime
Yeah,
once.
you can
Uh,
complain so that tomorrow, if anything, you can tell that actually I also become a victim of this type of job offer and I am not aware, and they have just tell me to do and I'm doing, but now I came to know, so I'm raising a complaint.
yeah, I did that. After
Hmm.
that, they asked me to go to a police
Local police
station. Like,
station, yes, physically.
yeah, something like, yeah, but that was something my family and all, like, that's a risky thing, right? So
Actually,
it's
yeah,
a
I
bit
will, because even if you go to a local police station physically, they don't write any complaint because you have not
mm-hmm.
lost any money. You have lost any
Mm-hmm.
money?
Yeah, I have lost 1 lakh for which they told if I do this job, I can get money.
Yeah, so you
Uh,
can raise a
from
complaint even of offline related to that 1 lakh.
Yeah, but somewhere like they're doing it even now. I feel it's a legit one. That's all. I mean, I'm a bit confused. So what to do?
Not to do
Lol.
this type of work. It's a scam going on. They are like giving you a fraudulent money and the same amount you are transferring in different account directly, indirectly. They are using you as a mule account, and tomorrow you will get into unnecessarily legal trouble.
Doing it. Many people getting into this type of job offers, especially on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, where they people tell you that we are having a job offer for you. Firstly, the name of review on the name of like a money transfer job, cashier job, trading, sharing, cryptocurrency. They tell you you have to invest, you will get in that much in return, but like they will take your money and they are not going to give. After that they will tell you you have to recover. For that you have to do a cashier job, and we will send you the money. You have to buy USDT or transfer that money to next person. They are using your account as a mule account to transfer foreign money. Please be aware of it. In case you also get into their trap, they have used your account or someone asking like your money, like telling you that give your account details, we will send you the money, use your account, give you that much. Please don't accept these type of offer. It's a cyber criminals activity. Tomorrow you will receive a notice, police will arrest you. You have to pay whatever fraud amount you receive in your account, and you are not able to answer from where you are receiving the money, for what purpose. So still you're not aware, you get into any legal trouble, you facing any legal issue, any notice you receive, your bank account get freeze, block, lien by any cyber police, you receive any notice, how to unfreeze, how to give a reply, each and everything we are going to advise and help you, so that you can save your time, money, and get a complete peace of mind. So whatever your matter, just WhatsApp us and get the solution. Please like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us for any sort of legal help from anywhere at any time.